Okay, so we lost one of the screws that holds this piece onto the shaft of the Sawzall, and JC Construction came in here. He was like, listen, let me show you how to do this. So he's patching it up right now live, Colorado style. He said this is the way we do it.
This is only emergency. We're saving some time and some money today.
This is how this exactly. We're saving time and money somehow.
And it works.
And it works like a charm. Woo! You know what I'm saying? Look at this ninja. Ninja with chanclas.
What the fuck is that?
So you don't hear him as he's working. That's the whole, you know? He's being silent.
Pretty quiet.
Yes. So you don't even you think that was foam, but you didn't. That wasn't for real. Let me see how he approaches this. It's got to be a box right there.
This whole iron strap was from
Strap. Good job, buddy.